Minutes left in our show, and we've got lots that we've saved for this last hour, so I hope you're going to join us. Everything's on 5Pay, on air and online until end of day today. But right now we're going to talk to you about some beautiful serving paddles that have inserts from our friends at Temp-tations. Now, these frames are made of bamboo, and then on the inside is stoneware. So a stoneware insert goes right inside, and you've got something beautiful. Now, there are two sizes for you, and you're going to love that we've got this one 13 by 9.8 by 3/4 of an inch. That's the large paddle. The small paddle is 11 by 7.8 by 0.03 inches. All of this comes together for you in some great colored inserts, and yes, we have woodland. We also have Lisa Lasort joining us, a member of our Temp-tations team, joining us live via Skype to talk to us more about this great item. And Lisa, again, let me say to you and yours, Happy Easter.
Thank you so much, David. And brand new, we're so excited about this. We've married two of our most popular materials. That's sturdy bamboo wood, and of course, what we're known for, our stoneware. But the patterns are all the rage too, because this is our classic sculptural, which combines that old world and floral lace in a solid pattern, and woodland, which is that organic wood grain pattern, all brought to life with glass glazes. Here's what we love about these. First of all, you talked about the two sizes. 13 inches, so we're talking about top to bottom, and then 11 inches. But think charcuterie boards. Think about a trivet, right? Think about all those little things that you need to serve. Now you can do it in a really beautiful way.
Now, we've done this in two pattern choices for you. One is called woodland, which you know very well, and this is the slate blue in the woodland. Only 300 of those to go around. Back here, I've got the taupe in woodland, $275. Here's the gray in the woodland, $300. Here again is the slate blue, $300, and the white, $350. Now behind that are the sculptural ones. Now let me grab one of these. This is a little darker so you can see. This has both the old world and the floral lace flowers sculpted inside. So that's what the artwork looks like in the sculptural. Now let me run you through the colors. I have this for you in the taupe, $330. This is the gray, $325. I also have it for you in the plum, fewer than 400. And then finally I have it in the white sculpture, $450. Now, Lisa, this is something that is really so versatile. I love what you said about charcuterie boards, fruit platters, some of the Jimmy the Baker cakes. I mean, this doesn't make me mad at all. This is a fried platter. Fried chicken tenders, looks like mozzarella sticks, fried shrimp, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah, because, you know, boards are all the rage. But the problem is, David, some of those boards are just gigantic. So these are going to be more of your everyday and your entertaining sizes. So we did things here like a charcuterie. We did a baked brie in the middle, because remember, this is still stoneware. So it's going to keep hot foods hot longer. You can prep on here. But look what we did as a great little Mother's Day theme going forward. Baked brie in the middle. We did our crackers and cheese on the outside. That's on the 11-inch. Now on the 13-inch down here, we did our beautiful meat board. So now we were able to put meat on one, cheese on another, and look how easy it is to carry around. Carry it outside to the barbecue. Maybe you're at the camper. These make it so easy. Even something like this, David, sushi. What are you going to serve it on? Look how beautiful this display is now, putting them on both of these sizes. And you see the little color and pattern peeking out of the bottom. It's just beautiful.
So many people are looking at this and saying, well, the stoneware is going to be easy to clean. How best do you clean the bamboo portion?
Yeah, just take a damp cloth and just literally just wipe it out. But these are literally 4 pieces. So you're getting a stoneware trivet. Now, David, if you want to take the stoneware trivet out, it has actually felt feet on the bottom right there. So if you want to take this out and take a hot baker and bring it to your table, you can use it that way too. Of course, you could use it this way, and then it makes that hot baker really easy to carry, and my hands are nowhere near that baker. So you start to see, not only is this great for serving, but it's great for those needs that we all need, like trivets.
And it all comes together in something really beautiful. I also spy some crustless quiches over there. Delightful. Yeah. Don't miss out on this, because so many people are going to get ready for their entertaining this summer, the spring and summer. This could be very much a part of your arsenal when it comes to having just the right pieces to turn out and serve to all your guests. Lisa Lasort, great to have you back with us. I hope you and yours have a marvelous Easter.
Thank you so much, David. You as well, okay?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks so much and be well. Bye-bye now. All right. Time for some Landy's candies. We're going to go up to Buffalo.